Hi, in this video we are going to see the faculty recruitment notification from one of the autonomous college guys, and I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the postgraduates as well as the PhD candidates also. Okay, the postgraduates are going to get 50,000 rupees per month and the PhD candidates will get the 55,000 rupees per month. Okay, so after watching this video, so please share this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments which are mentioned in the recruitment notification. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And please give me one like for this video, guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the college is Institute of Engineering and Technology, IET. So it is the Autonomous Constituent Institute of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, UP Lucknow, guys. So here from this one we got the recruitment notification, guys. Selection of contractual faculty, here advertisement as well as the apply now is there. Apply now we will see later. First we will see the advertisement and what are the different departments are there and what are the qualifications required. So all these things we will check carefully one by one. And the date of notification is 26th June 2021. So Institute of Engineering and Technology is looking for the dedicated and qualified persons as contractual faculty. Online applications are invited from the eligible candidates as per the AICTE qualification for the selection of contractual faculty positions. Professor, associate, assistant professor in various programs of the institution as given below. That means based upon this professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies, here the contractual based vacancies are there, guys. And the contract faculty will be engaged on the full-time basis for 1 year, which may be extended up to 3 years on satisfactory performance and institute requirement. The engagement will be purely temporary and on a contractual basis. No claim for regular appointment shall be entertained. Reservations are applicable as per the UP state government rules, guys, but you may apply from any state all over the India, no problem. So here the departments are civil engineering, MTech in environmental engineering, structural engineering, computer science and engineering, MTech in artificial intelligence and data science, electronics and communication, mechanical, chemical, electrical, power and energy system, information technology, biotechnology, MBA. And while coming to the applied sciences and humanities, chemistry, physics, economics, English, mathematics, sociology and human value. Okay, total these are the different subjects, guys. And coming to the date of the date and time of the test or interview will be notified later in the official website. So right now it is not notified here, but who are the applicants are there, those applicants have to visit the official website regularly. Okay, and how to apply. Interested and eligible candidates are required to apply online by filling up of the online application form, which is available in the institute website up to 20th July 2021. So it is, as I told, that here the online application form link is there, that we will see at the end of this video, guys. So essential qualification as per the AICTE norms. And coming to the honorarium, professor contractual basis, consolidated to be fixed at the last pay minus pension or 70,000 rupees, whichever is maximum. And associate professor 60,000 rupees per month. While coming to the assistant professor contractual basis, 50,000 rupees per month is available for MTech, MBA or PhD holders in the humanities and the sciences. Okay, that means whatever the subjects mentioned in the humanities and sciences, for those subjects the PhD is the mandatory. Okay, and while coming to the engineering departments and the MBA, PhD is not mandatory. Only with post graduation you can apply for this one, and here the salary is 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, and if you are having the PhD in engineering subjects also, then you will get the 55,000 rupees per month. Okay, and application fee is 1,000 rupees, guys. It has to be paid as a demand draft in favor of the director IET Lucknow, payable at Lucknow itself, and the scanned copy of DD has to be uploaded with the online application form. Okay, candidates are required to bring the original DD along with the printed copy of the application form with all annexures at the time of written test or the interview. The last date of filling up of the online application form is 20th July 2021. And coming to the selection procedure, all applicants for assistant professor are required to appear in a written test. The shortlisted candidates will be interviewed and has to present a demo for the teaching. And for the position of associate and the professor would be based upon the interview, guys, and the details will be notified later in the official website. Okay, and so basic academic records as well as academic performance records also must be mentioned, and few important instructions are given here. Okay, you may check down, guys. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay, so you please go through all the details very carefully. Okay, and while coming to the application form, here just click on this apply now, guys, and then you will be directed to the online application form of this Institute of Engineering and Technology. So here fill up the online application form. So click on this go. If you want to try for the, if you are trying to apply for the two different subjects or the two different positions, you have to fill up the two separate applications. You have to pay the two separate fees. Okay, so here what is the post you are applying for? What is the post you are applying for? So if you are assistant professor, click on that one. And what is the department or program? So if you belongs to MBA, click on that one, and you have to enter your name and father's name, and what is your caste category, gender, date of birth, address for correspondence and permanent address, mobile number, email ID, and the basic academic records. Okay, your educational qualifications, all these things has to be entered here. Okay, and whatever the previous experience and where you worked, you have to enter all these things. And academic performance records, okay, you have to mention here how much points you are claiming. Okay, so after entering all these points, then how many number of publications are there, number of books and the book chapters. And while coming to the any sponsored projects are there, and any academic awards or rewards or you got, and the demand draft details you have to enter here, and you have to upload the photo, signature, DD photo, okay, all these things, and upload a single merged PDF file regarding the reserved category and date of birth, mark sheets, educational qualifications, experience certificates, documents required, performance score. Okay, and the page of the publications as well as the annexures. Fine, declaration, and then type the place and then click on the submit button. Okay, submit the application form. Fine. So these are the details they mentioned, guys. So if you are having the enough qualifications and if you are interested in this one, so please try to apply. Don't miss this opportunity, and I will provide the college website link in the description box of this video, guys, so that you can go through the advertisement as well as the online application form. I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments or the qualifications, okay, so that they also will be benefited. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.